You need these headphones for your iPhone or Android for several reasons. And stay until the end because I'm gonna tell you about my favorite feature and why these are my favorite headphones, especially for working out. My friends, how are you? I'm Andres Neshudo. I have here the new Baseus Inspire XC1 open ear earbuds. These are earbuds, which means they are open headphones. You put them on like a kind of earring. They're one of my favorite gadgets. And the best part is that Baseus really outdid themselves this time. These headphones were made in collaboration with Bose. With Bose, they have Bose certification and the excellent quality and sound of this iconic brand. So I'm gonna do the unboxing for you and tell you more about the Baseus XC1 open ear earbuds. Look, they're pretty complete. They have Dolby Audio, high-res audio certifications, plus they're wireless, they're completely wireless. They also have LDAC and air cushion technology, which makes them very comfortable to use. It's called Air because it feels like you're wearing nothing. Or microphones, so you can make very clear calls because these headphones through AI will detect what's making noise outside so that when you're wearing them, you won't hear it. The outside noise, but what you want to hear, which is your call and also the music. They also have a hybrid driver and IP68 certification in case they get sweat or a little bit of water on them. By the way, let me know what you're drinking while watching this video. I'll read your comments. I'm having an espresso. Let me know, and if you like technology, give this video a like. Now let's get to the point of this video. Let's do the unboxing. It's the moment of truth. All right, let's see what's in the box. And I keep saying it, this collaboration with Bose is something that makes them unique and incredible in the market. There are very few products that have this certification. And wow, I love seeing the new products. They smell really good. We'll get into the Baseus in more detail later, but let's see what else we have. In the box, we have the USB Type-C charging cable, fast charging. And we have the manuals, certifications, and information about this gadget. A gadget you need to have. But let's get to what we came for. The headphones I'm so excited about, the ones I like so much. Honestly, they're pretty lightweight. And moment of truth, these don't come with ear tips because you just put them on. It's like wearing earrings. I mean, I don't wear earrings, but they feel pretty comfortable. These are ideal for me. This type of headphones is ideal for working out. I'm going to sync them. Wait, I'm gonna put them back in the box. I'm gonna hold down this button to pair them. Done. Baseus Inspire XC1 are already connected. By the way, I'm charging my phone with my Baseus power bank that I showed you in another video. And now what interests me the most is to check the audio quality. Let's play something by Jose. Let's see. I suffered and I cried. Everything was left in the past. Wow, honestly, they sound pretty cool. Bose means quality. And well, honestly, Baseus did a really good job with this collaboration. I keep saying it, I love these headphones, especially when I go out for a walk. Nala Mihoski, already pretty iconic on this channel. Or when I exercise, you can jump and they won't fall off. You barely notice you're wearing these headphones. But unlike others, from other brands that I really like, these were developed in collaboration with and certified by Bose, which makes them unique and pretty cool. But tell me what you think about them. If you want me to put them through some more extreme tests, let me tell you that these are resistant to sweat, water, and dust because of their IP68 certification. Also, thanks to AI, they can cancel external noise to give more clarity to your calls. It's pretty cool. Anyway, they're super cool. They're my favorite headphones, especially for working out. But tell me, what would you use them for? Also, there are special prices during the Hotsa sale. I'll put a link in the description for more info and to get your Baseus headphones. There are more models and I've discussed them in other channel videos. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comments what you were drinking during this video, and I'll see you in my next one. I'm Andres Nesciudo. Big hug to everyone. Goodbye.